Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block ads and pop-ups and redirects on your Chrome browser. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your phone. So we all know that all of a sudden we see a notification on our screen or some kind of advertisements that simply pops up on the screen and annoys the heck out of us. It can be very time consuming and it sometimes even redirects our homepage. So to block those kind of ads and pop-up redirects, I'm going to show you, and it's very simple. First of all, you need to click on those three little dots located at the top right corner. Scroll through it and then you'll see the setting option. Click there. Scroll a little down and then on the advanced settings you will see site settings. You need to click there. You will be taken to an interface like this. If you scroll a little, somewhere in the middle you will see pop-ups and redirects, and right below you will see ads. Here there are two settings that you'll have to change. First of all, open pop-ups and redirects and then switch off the button on the right side. Doing this will block all the pop-ups and redirects on your Chrome. Now go back and then open ads. Here you'll again have to switch off the button, and after that all of the ads will be blocked on your Chrome. And that's all the steps that you need to do. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope that you have now successfully blocked all the annoying ads on your Chrome. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more updates.